If you've been driving for any length of time, you probably had a flat tire. Haven't we all at some point in our lives?
Well, yeah.
And the question sometimes is, do I need to replace that tire or can I just get it repaired? And are there basic rules about what can be repaired and what can't? When you must replace and when you repair?
Very good question. Very good question. So typically a puncture that's right at the too close to the sidewall, too close to the corner. There's too many, the steel belt movement is too much for a repair to hold up. So that has to be replaced.
Just replace the tire at that point.
Replace the
tire. It just
tire.
cannot be repaired. Okay.
Yeah. And then there's the types of repairs. There's a regular plug.
Yep.
There's varying qualities on those. You know how good they are, how well they hold up. The plugs we use, they never seem to fail. We use a really good plug. Then there's a patch plug. You take the tire off the rim, and you clean it from the inside, and then you put a plug in it that's also a patch on the inside. And that actually is the only kind of repair that maintains a speed rating on the tire, so long as it's not too close to the sidewall.
And then because it's probably got the added, support of being inside. Okay, that makes sense. Makes sense.
And it holds a speed rating. But then you get the whole financial burden of this whole thing. So many cars are all-wheel drive now, right? They only allow maybe, 1 or 2 30-second difference in tread depth from one tire to the other. All four have to be pretty even because they're all four connected because it's all-wheel drive.
So now you got to buy a new tire because you unpopped. And
so you put 20,000 miles in the car. There's a little bit of wear on all the tires. One tire's bad.
But you need to replace everything.
But you got to buy 4.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
That's bad news, man.
Right.
Okay, just to leave some good news. All right, if I got a flat tire, where's the best place I got something stuck in it then?
Yeah, it would be somewhere in the center, 75 to 80% of the tread. And the other thing is we have road hazard. We'll do a road hazard package for people for an all-wheel drive car that if you're in that situation where you damage one tire, but you can't put a new one on because the depth of the tread is too different, we will replace all 4.
Well, that's a heck of something to look into. That's news to me. I don't know if it was to you, but I never even thought about that, having to replace all 4 tires for one old tire going bad. And I'm the kind of guy, I drive my cars, I get a lot of use out of my cars and my tires. If you're like that too, you might want to get in touch with Brian here at Weber Automotive and find out about that. It's a warranty they can buy?
Or road hazard.
Fantastic.
All-wheel drive road hazard.
And they do great work and they're always ready to help keep your car tip-top shape. So
we'll do our best.
Thanks a lot, Brian.
Thanks, Randy.